Hey everybody, it's Haley, and today we are making a good old easy Texas pecan pie. And y'all know I'm from Texas, so I do love pecan pie. Pecans are the state nut, I believe. This is going to be one of our last Thanksgiving desserts because Thanksgiving is so close. So let's get started. This is a very old family recipe, and you're gonna need 1 cup of pecans. I just lightly chopped these, so I didn't chop them up super small. And then I have 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2/3 cup of light corn syrup. And of course, we can't forget the best part, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Lots of it. And we're literally just gonna whisk all that together until it's really well combined. So easy. We're gonna pour this all into a nice 9-inch unbaked pie crust. You can use a pre-made pie crust, or I also have some pie crust recipes that are really good, so make sure you go check those out. I'll link them up here. Okay, and now I'm gonna bake this. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake it for, I think, 40 to 50 minutes. We'll just see.
When you take your pecan pie out, if you want it to be the perfect texture, the internal temperature should be 200 degrees. When you move it around, it doesn't really jiggle, but if you lightly press on the top, it'll spring back. It was also kind of puffed up when I took it out. It's settled down though, and the pecans have got a nice brown color.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this looks and smells like the most amazing pecan pie ever. I'm ready to try this. I never know how to cut into a pie. It's hard. This looks delicious. Oh my goodness. If that's not a perfect piece of pecan pie, I didn't know what is. Perfect, thick, syrupy texture, and then the toasty pecans on top. Okay, I can't take a picture of it anymore. It fell over. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is seriously the best pecan pie I've ever had. It's like the perfect texture and so like perfectly sweet, and oh, the vanilla gives it a really good flavor. Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Let me know in the comments if you try making this pie recipe or what other pies you're making for Thanksgiving. And I'll see you next time. Bye! You can also check out more of my pie recipes up here.